go to school. So 7:40. I brush my hair. Tired. We have to go. So let's rush. Put on my shoes and a lot of other stuff. Hey, save one for me. Russian candy. Oh yeah, but I'm Peyton's not. I'm sorry that Peyton wants to sing, but I'm just doing vlogs, not singing. Because she's just going to be and I'm going to be like, okay. Yeah, I saw her hot and cold. It was really good, right? No, she's a really good singer. I can sing too, but I mean, she's really good. She's like really good. Oh yeah, my kitten. It's my kitten. Bella.
Susan. Yes, please.
Maybe put on my shoes. I'm just going to breakfast. Finished it. Playing Minecraft.
Штаны переодеть сзади, это огромнейшая. Ужасно, там грязь. Надо посмотреть тебе. На, включи свет. Возьми два зеркала и посмотри. Покажи, я покажу где. Вот здесь вот прямо, как будто у тебя перед.
It was still on videotape. Just wait. Time my shoe. What's in there? Sorry. I'm a very bad videotaper when it comes to this.